So this evening we are going to look at sum of GP. And under the sum of GP, we take some examples. So the first example says the third sum of a GP is 63 and the fifth term is 567. Find the sum of the first system. So before we can solve this question, we have to find the value of A and R. So the third term of GP T T3 is equal to AR raised to power 2. That's 3 minus 1 will give us 2. But according to the question, they say the third term is equal to 63. That will give us equation 1. So now the same question said the fifth term T5 equal to AR raised to power 4. And that will give us 5 equal to 567. That's equation 2. Now we have equation 1 AR raised to power 2 equal to 63 and equation 2 AR raised to power 4 equal to 567. So we divide equation 1, we divide equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 divided by equation 1, equation 2 divided by equation 1, that will give me AR raised to power 4, which is equation 2 over AR squared equal to 567 divided by 63. So A will cancel A, then R square in R raised power 4, I'm going to have R raised power 2. So we have R squared equal to, if you look at what we have here, let me check if 9 can go here. This will give me 11, so 9 can go. 9 in 56 will give me 6, remaining 2. Here 3. Then 9 here will give me 7, 7 here 1. Then 7 in 63 will give me 9. So I'm going to have R square equal to 9. Now, R will be equal to square root of 9, which is equal to 3. Although some textbook and some teachers, they will say R is equal to plus or minus 3. So now that I've gotten R, we now substitute. We're going to substitute. We substitute. Now, we substitute 3 for R in equation 1. Equation 1, if you can see there, we have AR square equal to 63. So anywhere we see R, we play with 3. So we have A times, instead of R, we have 3 square equal to 63. Then A times 3 square is 9 equal to 63. Then if you divide both sides by 9, you have A equal to 63 over 9, and that will give me 7. So we can see that A is equal to 7 and D, which is the common difference, is equal to 3, as in R common ratio. The R is common ratio, don't forget that. Now that I've gotten A and R, the formula for sum of n time of a GP, we have 3 formulas. The first one is A into R raised by n minus 1 over R minus 1. You use this when R is greater than 1. Then the second one is Sn equal to A times 1 minus R raised by n, close the bracket, over 1 minus R. You use this one when R is less than 1. Then the third one is sum to infinity. Sum to infinity is equal to A over R minus 1, as in 1 minus R. 1 minus R. This formula is for sum to infinity. Now, since our R is 3, which is greater than 1, so we are going to, the question say, find the sum of the first system. Sum of the first system, our n is 6. will be equal to A, which is 7 times, what is our R? Our R is 3. 3 raised power 6 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. So, and this will give us 7 times, or let me use bracket, 6 raised power 3 raised power 6. That's 3 raised power 4 is 81. 81 times 9. That will give me 700 and 729. So 729 minus 1 over 2. So from here, we now have sum of the first system to be equal to, sum of the first system will now be equal to A, which is 7, into, now if you look at the previous one that we did, you see that we have 729 minus 1. That will give me 728. Then 3 minus 1 will give me 2. So 2 here, 1. 2 in 72 will give me 36. Then 2 in 8 will give me 4. Now, if I multiply 7 by 364, I'm going to have 7 times 4. That will give me 28. Then that's carry 2. 7 times 6, that's 42 plus 2 that we carried. 44, carry 4. 7 times 3, that's 21 plus the 4, that give me 25. So that is it. You can see that's very simple. Have a wonderful night.